Hi guys, sorry I've got something stuck on my tooth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the avocado nourishing sheet mask, and this is a superfood mask that nourishes and moisturizes the skin with its rich and vibrant nutrients. Destin, just come closer, don't zoom in, just come closer there so they can see. And this is what it looks like at the back. It also says the avocado nourishing sheet mask moisturizes the skin, helping to maintain a healthy and radiant glow. Bursting with natural goodness, it leaves your skin feeling nourished and refreshed, suitable for all skin types. That's a thumbs up, because all my videos are catered to every skin type, not just Afro-Black Caribbeans. Now, so as I said again, today's video is on this, but I'm just going to focus on those of you that seem to be struggling with your skin, that have really bad acne, blemishes, whiteheads, blackheads, or every time you wake up you've got like a very bad breakout. As I said again, please, if you're struggling with acne or spot breakouts, please use the Visibly Clear Spot Stress Control Daily Scrub Neutrogena. Guys, when I was struggling with acne and breakouts, this is what literally delivered my skin, and I'm not lying, trust me. This is for every skin type. It doesn't discriminate. It's really good. My sister's struggling with her skin because yeah, she's a teenager, and she's literally seen a difference with her skin literally after 3 days. Now, as I said again, if you've got problems with whiteheads and blackheads, my previous video showed me using the Derma V10 Deep Cleansing Peel Off Mask with charcoal, and guys, this removes your blackheads and whiteheads perfectly. Whiteheads and blackheads are literally the worst thing. We all hate them, and if you want to get rid of them, this is what you need. Now, if you're also struggling with like really bad skin, dry, like cracked, just not peeling, if you're wearing like a topless dress, you're wearing shorts and mini skirt, your skin just doesn't look good, guys, you need to exfoliate your skin. Use a sugar scrub. Today I went out, as you can see in my previous video. This is why you need to make sure you're subscribed and the bell is on, so you can keep up to date with me and you can better yourself as a person. I literally got the coconut body scrub. This is a gentle exfoliation for silky smooth skin. Guys, I can't wait to go and use this, because I normally do a lot of DIYs, therefore meaning I create these things by myself in the comfort of my own home with organic products. So with the coconut body scrub, let me just show you. So with the coconut body scrub, how you use it is you massage a large handful of body scrub onto damp skin in circular motions. Do it in the bath, do it in the shower. For best results, leave the scrub on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. And guys, it is really good, and they said it's very unlikely that you'll get skin irritation. So this obviously means it's really good for people with sensitive skin. So thumbs up to this. And as I said again, you're going to see me live and in action when I actually use this on my own skin, because you know I do everything for you guys. And as I said again, when you're using such products, please make sure you have this tool. You could even get the electronic one. Well, this is the electronic one, but I think water damage. But yeah, guys, and this just really helps, you know, with blood circulation. It helps rejuvenate the skin, and you just do it in circular motions and just really get that temp going. And yeah, and when you're exfoliating your skin, just make sure you're very careful and you're very tender with your skin, because remember guys, we're trying to get the best skin that we possibly can. Now back to this avocado nourishing sheet mask. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, this is well moisturized, ain't it? So let me use my iPad to help me. So guys, I'm gonna use my iPad to help guide me when I'm putting this on, because my mirror's in a really cute place. Show them. Stand back so they can see everything, and I don't want to ruin it. I showed them the flowers. Can you see the flowers? Yeah guys, I'm not trying to move that mirror, sorry. So I'm just gonna use my iPad. Yeah. So guys, you've seen me use masks before in my previous videos. Oh, guys, this is dripping. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Guys, this is dripping. But I guess. Oh. Oh. And the thing about these, because it's a universal size, it makes it a bit more complicated for people with like maybe like smaller faces. Oh. And guys, we all know the benefits of avocado, or basically any natural product. And guys, as you know, I let my mask sit for at least 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, if you do have any special tools at home, you can use it to just really let the mask set within the pores. And yeah guys, so I'm going to let it settle and then I'll be right back. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I'm just going to remove the mask. And it's been 30 minutes. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.